Hi guys, so here is our next video on the next chapter, that is simple equations, and this is the part 1 for the introduction part. So guys, what is simple equations? So basically simple equations, it's from the name only we can see that it's having equations, means all the equations they have a equality sign. Okay, so they will be having a अनइक्वालिटी साइन, दैट्स वाई द नेम इज लाइक दैट, दैट इज इक्वेशंस. ठीक है, तो हमको वेरिएबल पता है. वेरिएबल क्या होता है? वेरिएबल्स, variable is that in which something cannot be कांस्टेंट. ओके, इसका वैल्यू चेंज होता रहता है, हो सकता है, मतलब जिसका वैल्यू हमको पता नहीं होता, दैट इज़ द वेरिएबल. लाइक वी टेक वेरिएबल एज ईदर एक्स और वाई और जेड और ए बी सी एम एन एनीथिंग. These are the variables, means we don't know what will be the value of these variables. And also we know the what the meaning of constants. Constant is just the opposite of variable. Constants having the constant value. Okay, like if I'll say 1 means 1. Okay, it doesn't, I can't say that 1 is equals to 2. No, 1 is 1 only. This is the constant. 10 is 10. Okay, 5 into 4 is 5 into 4, that is 20. It is not, the value is not changing, and value we can't change, so that is the constant. ठीक है guys, तो वेरिएबल कांस्टेंट हमको पता है. तो इक्वेशन क्या होता है ना, इन इक्वेशन वी हैव बोथ वेरिएबल एंड कांस्टेंट्स. Okay, an equation contains variable, constants and equality sign. ठीक है, जैसे कि मैं कुछ एग्जांपल देती हूँ, जैसे कि 2x + 3 इज इक्वल्स टू 10. हियर वी आर हैविंग वेरिएबल, हियर वी आर हैविंग कांस्टेंट, हियर वी आर हैविंग इक्वालिटी साइन, हियर इट इज़ ऑल्सो कांस्टेंट. ठीक है, तो ऐसे में हम इसको बोलते हैं दिस इज एन इक्वेशन. सो आई थिंक यू गाइज आर नाउ क्लियर विद द इक्वेशन, व्हाट इज़ द इक्वेशन. ठीक है, अभी इंट्रोडक्शन पार्ट में हम देखेंगे कि इक्वेशंस हम कैसे फॉर्म कर सकते. अभी मैं आपको एक डेफिनेशन बताती. इन शॉर्ट, एन इक्वेशन इज अ कंडीशन ऑन अ वेरिएबल. ठीक है, द कंडीशन इज दैट टू एक्सप्रेशन शुड हैव इक्वल वैल्यू. मीन्स दिस इज वन एक्सप्रेशन and this is one expression, and both the expressions should have an equal value. Means 2x plus 3 you should get 2x plus 3 as 10. Okay, so means 2x plus 3 should be equals to 10, so that's why you are having equality sign. Okay, note that at least one of the two expressions must contain the variable. Okay, one of the two expressions must contain the variable. Means variable and constant are compulsory here. Okay, in one equation you should have one variable, one constant and one equality sign. ठीक है, so it's not different than the algebraic expressions. ठीक है guys, so here it is. Now we will see some examples. Like suppose I'll tell you that 3 times x is 3x. ठीक है, 3 times x is 3x. means 3 times x means 3x. If I'll say 3 times x is, if I'll say 3 times x is 18, means 3 times x means 3 into x is 18, means is equals to 18. So I formed one equation, that is simple equation. ठीक है, suppose another equation and another example. If I'll tell के the sum of numbers x and 4 is 9. The sum of numbers x and 4 is 9. means the sum of numbers x and 4, means the x and 4 will be summed, means x plus 4 is 9, is means equals to 9. So this is my another equation. Okay, these are the statements. This is the statement and through which we are getting equation. ठीक है. Another example I am giving. If you add 3 to 1/3 of z, you get 30. If you add 3, means 3 will be added. Means 3 will be added. If you add 3 to 1/3 of z, 1/3 of z, you get 30. You get 30 means you get equals to 30. Means my equation is 3 plus z by 3 equals to 30, and this is my another equation from this statement I got. Okay. Such you can have many and many equations. Okay. Suppose if I'll tell you, okay, suppose I'm telling you the reverse of this I'm telling. Okay. Suppose I'm writing p plus 4 is equals to 15. So what will be its statement? Its statement will be the sum of p and 4 is 15. So this is the statement of this equation. Okay. Another I'm writing, if I'll write 3m divided by 5 is equals to 6. What will be its statement? What will be its statement? That 3m by 5 means what? 3 by 5 into m, which equals to 6. 3 by 5 means 3/5 of m. Okay. 3/5 of m is 6. Means 3 times of m divided by 5 is 6. Means 3m by 5 is equals to 6. Like this you can get your equations from the statements, and from the equations you can get your statements, and from the statements you can get your equations. So these are the some examples. Another example I am discussing. 7 times m plus 7 gets you 77. 7 times m, 7m, plus 7 gets you means equals to 77. So this is my equation. So guys, this much only for the introduction part, and I hope you know now what is the meaning of simple equations, and how to get simple equation from the statements, and how to get the statement from the simple equations. And a simple equations contains variable, constant and equality sign. And this much only for the introduction part. In the next part we will see how to solve this, how to solve the simple equations. In part 2 we will see. So this much for this video guys. If you have any doubt regarding this theory, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll try to cover it guys. So thank you so much.